Also right now, help with rising drug costs could soon be coming. Governor Ned Lamont is pushing for a limit on how much pharmaceutical companies can jack up prices. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is live right now from the digital desk with a closer look at how this could actually impact families. Mike?
Yes, Mark, the governor wants increases to be limited by inflation. He says that would let patients know what to expect for prescription costs from year to year. So today I talked with some people who have chronic illnesses to see how drug prices are affecting them.
The ever-rising prices of these medications on top of my Trikafta terrify me.
Skyrocketing prescription costs have become a problem for patients, sometimes forcing them to choose between vital medicine and other bills. And there doesn't appear to be any relief in sight. According to the website GoodRx, prices for 832 prescription drugs went up by an average of 4.5%. That's in line with similar increases in 2019 and 2020. Jay Geronimi of Groton says that he's had to max out credit cards in the past to pay for medication for his cystic fibrosis. Now he has insurance through work, but he worries about what could happen if he loses his job.
I shouldn't have to constantly live in fear of what would happen if I had to face the full price of my medicine. I shouldn't be forced to decide between financial ruin and detrimental health outcomes.
Governor Ned Lamont wants to limit drug price increases, joining forces with Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker. Lamont is calling for prescription drug price increases to be capped at inflation plus 2%. Anything over that, and companies could face a penalty equal to 80% of the amount over that cap.
There should be predictability for people who need these medications.
But the proposal is drawing pushback from the pharmaceutical industry. Giants Alexion, Boehringer Ingelheim, and Pfizer, who all have ties to Connecticut, oppose the bill. Pfizer saying in a statement, "We oppose this legislation on the negative impact it could have expanding access to medicines, protecting the incentives for future scientific innovations, and the threat that they pose to the economies of Connecticut and Massachusetts, where the bioscience industry supports $9 billion in economic output." The industry says that other factors, including pharmaceutical benefit managers, are what's driving up costs. They also say the revenue is needed to fund future research. This bill does not limit the initial price a company can set for a drug. It also won't force any cuts. That's why some say that the law needs to go further.
A lot of people who need medications that are expensive, the medications are already too expensive. So we really need to lower the cost of those medications.
Now, patient advocacy groups say one way to help would be to end a 2003 federal law that prevents Medicare from negotiating directly with drug companies. They say that allowing this could bring down prices for everyone. Live from the digital desk, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.